Hello, Kentucky Industry Conference 2025. My name is Sean Venable, Director of Business Development here at HydroFLOW USA. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here to speak today, but we are honored to be chosen and look forward to working with the Kentucky metals industry to optimize your water systems. Every day, Kentucky's metals and manufacturing industries depend on water. Cooling towers, chillers, spray bars, and washers, all keeping production moving. But that same water hides some expensive problems: scale, corrosion, and biofouling. These silent enemies drive up energy costs, waste millions of gallons of water, shorten equipment life, and trigger costly downtime. For example, just 1 millimeter of scale buildup can increase energy usage by up to 10%, costing industrial plants hundreds of thousands each year. Introducing HydroFLOW, powered by Hydropath technology, a non-invasive, chemical-free water conditioning system. HydroFLOW provides an eco-friendly solution which greatly reduces chemical usage for the harmful effects of limescale, bacteria, algae, and biofouling. Based on over 30 years of experience, HydroFLOW's environmentally friendly technology works with various processed liquid systems. A liquefied solution inside a pipe system may contain minerals such as calcium carbonate dissolved in the form of ions. When temperature increases or pressure drops, the solution becomes supersaturated, which causes the ions to adhere to piping and equipment surfaces in the form of scale. Over time, accumulated scale, along with the biofilm that consists of the bacteria and algae from the processed liquid, block the narrow pathways, causing unwanted insulation, reduced heat transfer efficiency, restricted water flow, and higher energy consumption. Eventually, systems need to be opened and cleaned. The process of cleaning the plates requires the use of hazardous chemicals, is time-consuming, and might cause damage to the equipment. The HydroFLOW water conditioner applies an electric signal of 150 kHz throughout the piping system, causing the ions to form clusters. The clusters precipitate out of solution and form stable crystals which do not adhere to piping and equipment. Additionally, the signal agitates the biofilm colonies, causing them to detach and flush out. Bacteria and algae passing through the water conditioner's ring of ferrites are charged by the electrical signal, forming a hydration layer of pure water around the cell. Osmosis forces water into the bacteria and algae cells, creating osmotic pressure, which ruptures the cell membrane and causes it to perish. HydroFLOW, cost-effective, saving time, money, and manpower. Safe, greatly reduces the need for hazardous chemicals. User-friendly, easy installation as add-on with no need to cut or weld. Green, environmentally friendly system. Here are some examples of the results HydroFLOW has provided facilities in the past. A Canadian steel mill saved $35,000 per year by eliminating spray bar blockages. A Texas mega factory cut chemical use by 75% while reducing cooling tower water usage to avoid a multi-million-dollar wastewater treatment plant expansion. A U.S. nuclear plant validated full chemical-free cooling tower operations and reduced maintenance. A packaging facility in Texas reduced chemical usage in their dissolved air flotation system by 50% while extending the equipment cleaning cycle from 1 to 6 weeks, achieving significant water savings. A U.S. Air Force Base HVAC manager was quoted, "We installed a HydroFLOW device on one of our cooling towers about a year ago and have not utilized any industrial water treatment chemicals in the last 9 to 10 months of operation." Instead of the hard scale that typically accumulates inside the cooling tower, loose brown mud-like material was found. A garden hose was used to easily remove the mud-like substance from the fill material and drift eliminators. HydroFLOW is already transforming facilities across the world, and now it's ready to redefine water management in Kentucky. With an ongoing University of Louisville lab study, we're building local validation, collaboration, and trust as well. Implementation is fast. Installation is simple, and there is no need for repiping. The units are installed around the outside of your existing pipe, fitting into your current configuration to start delivering measurable results quickly. And on average, an I-range transducer consumes less than $55 of electricity per year at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Here are some examples of equipment fouling before and after the installation of HydroFLOW. The return on investment? Often within 12 months, sometimes less. Our ideal partners are metals and manufacturing facilities across Kentucky, ready to validate water and chemical savings through quick, low-risk pilots. Together we can demonstrate measurable results, cleaner water, lower costs, and stronger ESG performance. This is more than a solution, it's transformation. Cleaner systems, longer asset life, and smarter operations optimized with HydroFLOW. Thank you.